Circular sawmills employ large blades to swiftly cut lumber, transforming the lumber industry's productivity. Their versatility accommodates diverse wood types and sizes, enhancing efficiency and adaptability. Continuous cutting capabilities minimize downtime, optimizing output and streamlining production processes. They represent a pivotal advancement, revolutionizing timber processing with their enhanced speed and performance. Here you can see the process of crafting beech and yew panels intricately. The initial step involves selecting premium quality beech and yew wood for panel construction. Skilled artisans cut and join the beech and yew wood pieces to form sturdy panels. Each panel undergoes meticulous finishing, highlighting the unique grains of beech and yew. The final result displays beautifully crafted panels, showcasing the elegance of beech and yew wood. This log peeling machine processes timber framing logs measuring 30 to 35 centimeters in diameter and 740 centimeters in length, completing one in approximately 15 minutes. The KEDROC 100 cylindrical machine crafts log parts, crown logs, and grooves with precision. Equipped with powerful motors and specialized cutters, it offers versatile woodworking capabilities for production. This automated debarking line integrates the SLH 1200 debarking machine with advanced sorting and cutting capabilities. Featuring advanced automation, it processes logs, sorts them by diameter and length, and handles waste with precision. The 4-axis CNC machine offers varied tools for precise, fast woodworking tasks. Units include scanning, automatic head, VBMT knife, and cup knife units. These elements enable intricate carvings, hole drilling, and smooth surface finishing. The machine ensures efficient wood shaping, radial threading, and high-quality woodworking outputs. The OCSS 4AM cylindrical machine offers fully automated log rounding operations with program control, enhancing productivity through its 2-stage log cylinder system. This circular saw cuts through wood with precision, making it ideal for large projects. Its large blade spins rapidly, slicing through thick wooden boards effortlessly. Its sturdy build ensures durability and long-lasting performance. Also offers automated processes from layer formation to packaging in parquet manufacturing lines. Tailored loading and unloading systems cater to specific customer needs for different slat types. Automated milling, iron insertion, and bonding optimize final parquet quality while ensuring productivity. Precision automation in drying ensures uniform, high-quality drying for superior lamella production. Dalso's comprehensive solutions guide customers through every step, refining packaging for effective presentation. The OptiJoint V8 offers high-speed vertical finger jointing with optimal utilization and capacity performance. Its heavy-duty design ensures stability and precision, catering to both soft and hardwoods. Intelligent software minimizes machine stops, ensuring maximum working minutes and productivity. Secure workpiece transportation during jointing processes maintains high performance and quality standards. The Triumph sawmill line efficiently handles logs up to 350 mm in diameter with precision. Equipped with powerful motors, the 12P saw accommodates up to 6 saws per shaft. The 20P auto multi-saw allows for up to 10 saws per shaft, optimizing cutting capabilities. Veneer box production demands precision cutting, meticulous assembly, and a keen eye for quality control. Craftsmen select premium veneers, ensuring each box showcases unique patterns and textures. Advanced machinery facilitates efficient manufacturing, while skilled artisans add the human touch. From design conceptualization to final finishing, this process ensures exquisite, durable veneer boxes. Bamboo plywood production involves the cutting, polishing, drying, and carbonization of bamboo materials. Bamboo strips are glued and pressed into plywood structures, then meticulously sanded to specification. Quality checks, color sorting, and precise cutting ensure the desired bamboo plywood quality. The final step involves packaging and shipping the finished bamboo plywood products to clients.